What is the Natural Resource Charter? It's an attempt to stop history repeating itself.
What the Charter provides is trying to give a sense of some kind of best practice, how to do it.
Both ASSET and the Charter are trying to ensure that governments in Africa and other parts of the world use their natural resources better.
Many millions of people that are right now are living under a poverty line, but they have a lot of wealth underground.
What countries lack is experience. So in making decisions that can have big impact on your country, positive or negative, you want to be able to make the best choices. Those best choices come not only from textbooks, but from other people's experiences.
With the Charter, it's outlining all these things out there, so that in one small package you get all this information.
The Charter is the first document or the first tool that we have that really alerts governments, civil society and other actors that oil should be viewed in a holistic way, from the moment of exploration to the moment that the money is spent and accounted for.
Managing natural resources is not really a small matter. That for one thing, they are dealing with a diversity of resources. They are dealing with a diversity of investors. And that to be able to efficiently do this, they need help.
Just because you have an oil field or a gas field or gold under the ground, do not declare yourself lucky. Don't be happy immediately, because there are just so many things that you have to understand and to go through to actually benefit from it.
People have been talking about the curse of natural resources when in reality this should not be a curse, it's a wealth that is underground. And the point is how you manage that wealth in order to improve the welfare of the citizens.
There's no substitute for a critical mass of informed citizens within a society. Without informed citizens, a government is going to find it very difficult sometimes to take the right decisions.
Oil companies don't exist without access to oil reserves. Mining companies don't exist without access to minerals. And if the owners of those resources have a better understanding of the value they hold and want to engage investors in a way that they benefit more, then companies will come around to let me understand what countries are looking for.
The Natural Resource Charter is about changing behaviour. It's trying to make sure that history, the sad history of resource extraction, doesn't repeat itself. Now there's the biggest opportunity in history for the poor societies to use their own resources to build prosperity.